Welcome back to Master Learner AI, your go-to channel for all things artificial intelligence and machine learning. Today, we're going to talk about how you can use ChatGPT in your daily life to make things easier and more efficient. ChatGPT is an advanced language model that can generate human-like text based on the input it receives. It's like having a virtual assistant at your fingertips, ready to help you with any task or question you have. Let's take a look at some practical ways you can use ChatGPT in your daily life. For starters, you can use it to help with research projects or writing assignments. Simply input your query or topic, and ChatGPT will generate relevant information and suggestions to get you started. Another great way to use ChatGPT is for brainstorming ideas. Whether you're working on a creative project or trying to come up with a solution to a problem, ChatGPT can generate new perspectives and insights to help you think outside the box. ChatGPT is also great for organizing your schedule and managing tasks. You can ask it to create to-do lists, set reminders, or even help you plan your day. It's like having a personal assistant right in your pocket. So there you have it, folks. ChatGPT is a powerful tool that can streamline your daily tasks and boost your productivity. Whether you're a student, professional, or just looking to simplify your life, ChatGPT has got you covered. Thanks for tuning in to Master Learner AI. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more AI tips and tricks. Until next time, happy chatting with ChatGPT.